A brand new house and lot located at Anabu, Imus, Cavite na meron lot area na 150 square meter at total developed area na 199.67 square meter. Sa loob makikita ang very spacious area. Ito ang bedroom. Ito naman ang door access papuntang dirty kitchen. At sa taas ay makikita natin ng very spacious bedrooms. Ito ang first room. Na meron sariling bathroom. At ito naman ang second room. Ito naman ang third room. At ito ang bathroom sa taas.
For more info, you can contact us on this number or message us on this Facebook page.